everybody. This is Baking with May. May, what are we baking today?
Brownies.
Who's baking them?
Me.
Okay, so tell us what we have to do to get started.
We have to crack 2 eggs in this.
No. What do the instructions say? What's the first thing we do?
Heat oven as
Directed in chart. So we have a 13 by 9 inch pan, so we have to heat it to 350. Next thing we have to do is coat our pan with baking spray. That's a lot of baking spray. Make sure there's no blank spots anywhere. There's a big blank spot here and you gotta get the edges. Can you get the edges? Okay. Then, the next step, stir brownie mix, water, and oil and eggs in a medium bowl until well blended.
Is there water in there?
Mm-hmm. Four hours later.
Smells like hot chocolate.
Okay, oil and eggs. We mix the water in with the oil so it's all going in together. Make sure you don't get any shell in the bowl. Mix it all up, make sure the eggs get stirred together. Just stir them.
Can you smash them?
Yeah. No, stir it, please. Till it's all mixed up. Thing we always like to do with our brownies is add some chocolate syrup. Add it, yep, in a wave like that. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
We need extra chocolate.
Take the knife and make a line. Let's do it. Okay. Open our chocolate chips, just the corner. could.
What if I still burn myself?
You won't. Just make
There's
sure
no holes in this one.
it doesn't need holes. Just use it and grab the handles of the thing. Pull it out just enough that you can reach the other handle with the hot pad. You got short arms. Do you want to do one side and I'll do the other side?
Face is burning.
Come on, hurry up.
I can't when my face is burning.
There you go. Set it on the stove. On the stove. Good. Now shut the oven. Shut the oven. Awesome. Look at those. They look